Alright, so, gotta find our knife. We just unboxed all of our stuff from Tactics. How's it get? A couple hats, a shirt, another shirt, a hoodie and a jacket, some grip tape and 2 stickers. So that's cool. I'm excited about that stuff. Very excited about that stuff. If anybody wants to send me stuff to unbox and review, please. Go in your kennel. Go in your kennel. So now, this is an eBay order, and the backstory on this is, when I was a kid, if you watched the last video I said, Enjoi was my favorite as a kid. Bag of Suck was like the first video I ever saw. I thought it was insane. Jerry Sue, Louis Barletta, one of my favorites. That's why I got some jacuzzi stuff, some sci-fi fantasy stuff. But Enjoi was always my favorite. And when I got back into boarding this year, when I just got interested in just watching skateboarding in general, I was pretty bummed when I found out that there was very little Enjoi materials to be bought. And so I searched a ton. I found a few things at the very beginning of searching where I probably should have just bit the bullet and bought the board, but I didn't. And then a month or two went by and I realized every day as I was watching online and looking for Enjoi stuff, the stuff that I would see was going away. So I finally ordered a board on Poshmark and the seller just never replied, and so it didn't come through. But I was able to find that same deck, hopefully brand new, we'll see. eBay's a crapshoot sometimes, of the Enjoi Birdwatcher deck. It is probably the last deck that I've seen that's, was probably the last like production that they had. Must have been involved in the last production that they had, because it was the only real from the factory board I could find. Everything else was, resale or like somebody who was trying to resell the board for way too much money. So I'm not going to ride this. Long story short, I got the Enjoi Birdwatcher deck because I also have been collecting Enjoi other things, wheels, bearings, stickers and stuff like that. So I want to kind of just get a small collection of Enjoi stuff to satisfy my childhood. So without further ado, one slice down the center, 2 slices down the side, without cutting our dog. So this is from eBay. The seller was just called What a Deal. And they had a ton of random stuff. It was like a collector selling all their shit. I don't recall ordering grip tape. And I actually looked yesterday at the... Yeah, it doesn't say anything online or on there about grip tape. So we'll see what this is. It looks like Mob. It almost looks like the Moob cow pattern, but we'll see. It's like part clear maybe? I'm not sure. That's interesting. The best part of unboxing things is when the seller puts random shit in there. That's fucking sweet. I love it, no matter what it is. I love it. No matter what. Oh, it's still in the cellophane, baby. Oh, no, it's not. It's in bubble wrap. Let's see what's going on here. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Hi, Huxley. Yes, you are too. Yes, you are too. Sit. Thank you, sir. Oh, it is in the cellophane. That's happy. That's happy. Like I said, I'm not riding this thing. I don't want to taint it with my lack of skill. The board I've been riding is from TGM in Michigan. It's the biggest skate shop in the Midwest. They sell Moose brand blanks. It's fucking legit. I love it. So I've been riding a blank, which is why I wanted to get some stickers. Especially that white shake jump's gonna look nice on the flat black. I got a black blank. All right. Oh, I had some free hardware, dude. My guys. Thanks. That's cool. That's cool. So, it's called the Bird Watcher. Enjoi. Huxley, can you get out of the way for a sec? Back up. Please. Get up there. Go on. Get up there. Okay. I love Enjoi so much. Oh, it's a sticker, but I won't open it to get it. I won't open it to get it. So, it is my size. It's the size I like to ride, or I'd like to ride. But, boom. Boom. Beautiful. Enjoi's always had the best colors. Fun graphics. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, yeah. The other Enjoi stuff I've got so far is, I'll show ya. I got the from TGM as well. I got the bearings, Enjoi bearings, and then I got the Enjoi color buddies. So those are the things that I have so far that are Enjoi. Obviously that sticker is going to be added to the collection. And then I'm going to get some wheels. There's a couple variations of Enjoi wheels still available. I'll probably get a couple. And then there is some trucks. I want to say Royal. Maybe Tensor. I'm not sure. I can't remember. That have the Enjoi logo on them as well. And I want to get a pair of those. But then, yeah, then I'll just keep that in the future, either for my satisfaction, ride and Enjoi complete, or hang on to it, see if it grows in value or whatever. But that's my unboxing for the day. Last video we did the clothes. We just did this beautiful board. Again, Enjoi 8-inch bird watcher. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. I gotta get out and practice for the day before I go to work. So stay tuned. That video will be posted later today. See ya. One more thing. I forgot about this grip tape. We'll see what it is. Tape on the grip tape's an interesting choice. The tape off after all that biz. No way. That just made my fucking day, dude. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? That is so epic. That is so epic. I want to hang that on my freaking wall. Oh my god, dude. This is so sick. Like I said, it did not say anything about grip tape on the... Shit, I hope you can see me. It did not say anything about grip tape on the... whatever you call it, the page, of the sale page. Oh my god, that's fucking sick. Add that to the list of things on the Enjoi Complete, baby. Woo! Hell yeah.